This last June, I got BMI royalty for $2,800, and I was super happy because I finally broke through that $2,000 barrier, and that was great. My wife and I went on a vacation, and now this last September, BMI check comes in, $10,800. I was totally blown away. I usually get my money on Thursdays. BMI doesn't send out their statements until Friday. So I had to wait like a whole day to find out, okay, what happened here that I was able to get, such a huge increase. And when that statement finally came in, I noticed it. There was a song that I wrote a year and a half ago to one of those two libraries, and it was placed on multiple networks with during the NFL playoffs and the NBA playoffs, and also on the Super Bowl. So that's where most of that money came from. But I got home after I, got out of work. I took that song. I looked it up in my storage drive that I had put away a year ago. I pulled it out, put it on my desktop, and I sits there on my desktop so that anytime that I'm going to start writing and I don't know what I'm going to write about, that's the song that I'm going to look at to see, okay, what happened? Why is that song? Why did it work? And I'm just very thankful that it gotten to this point.